Giraffe and zebra in Walt Disney World's backyard? That can only mean one thing. We're going for a walk on the wild side at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Welcome to Simply Magical Guide. My name is Erica, and along with my husband Ryan and our two boys, we have set out to explore everything that Walt Disney World has to offer. We are all about resort life and believe that the perfect resort is the foundation to a simply magical vacation. Come join us as we explore the resorts, share all of our tips and tricks, and experience all the magic of Walt Disney World. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is truly one of the most immersive resorts in all of Walt Disney World. As the doors open to the lobby, you are immediately struck by the grandness of the space that is filled with warm wood tones and accented with vibrant colors. The lobby opens up to a floor-to-ceiling glass window which overlooks one of the 4 Savannas on property. Since this video is focusing only on our Savanna View Room, if you want to know more about the rest of the resort, subscribe to our channel and check out our Animal Kingdom Lodge playlist for a full resort tour and in-depth reviews on all things Animal Kingdom Lodge. When selecting a resort, it's important to consider 4 components: rooms, transportation, dining, and activities. For this video, we will focus on the rooms portion. Now let's dive in. Animal Kingdom Lodge is separated into 2 distinct areas: Jambo House, the main building for guests, and Kidani Village, the Disney Vacation Club accommodations. Both resort areas provide you with multiple room options and views that will appeal to all safari goers. During our visit, we stayed in the Savanna View Room on the 3rd floor main level of Jambo House overlooking the Zebra Trail. This room provided us with amazing views of the Arusha Savannah, an unforgettable experience with the wildlife that call this resort home. Let's take a closer look. As you enter the room, you immediately notice the beauty of the details throughout, from the decorative Zulu war shield on the door to the hand-carved mahogany furniture. This 344 square foot room feels spacious with vibrant colors of goldenrod and crimson, providing a brightness to the space. Our room included 2 queen beds, a small table and chairs for additional seating, and enough outlets, both standard and USB, to accommodate all of our recharging needs. While this room is on the smaller side compared to the other accommodations at other deluxe resorts, even with luggage for 4 and a double stroller, we felt that there were plenty of storage options for all of our travel necessities, including a 6-drawer dresser, a closet with rod and shelves, and space under the beds. Other amenities include a coffee station with a complimentary selection of coffees and teas, a small refrigerator, an extra pillow and blanket, and the Disney Conservation Fund book detailing Disney's conservation program. Separated by a sliding barn door, the beautifully themed bathroom boasts a dual vanity, designed with additional storage underneath and an LED backlit mirror. Behind another pocket door is a shower outfitted with both rain and handheld shower heads and accented with a tile reminiscent of zebra stripes. The shower also includes a separate niche for storing your bath products and is stocked with Disney's H2O brand body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Other amenities include both full-length and makeup mirrors, a steamer, and hairdryer. Finally, as you move to the back of the room, the sliding door opens to the balcony, which includes 2 chairs and a table, overlooking what makes this one of the most unique resorts in all of Walt Disney World, the Savannah. Home to more than 200 animals being greeted each morning by the wildlife is what makes the Savanna View Room one of a kind and places this resort in our top 3 in Walt Disney World. Overall, we felt that Animal Kingdom Lodge rooms checked a lot of the boxes. While the resort has many room options that may provide obstructive views of the Savannah, if your budget allows, we highly recommend the upgrade to guarantee this one-of-a-kind experience. If you want to know how we snagged such an amazing spot, head over to our channel and check out our Animal Kingdom Lodge playlist for specific resort day tips, full resort tour, and so much more from Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and to see more of our Disney World adventures, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us, and we hope your next stay in the Disney bubble is simply magical.